Hello, I'm Randy Profit, Chairperson of the Centra Credit Union Board of Directors. It's an honor to represent Centra members across our footprint. Thank you for the opportunity to share Centra's successes in 2024 and the strategic outlook for 2025 and beyond. Centra Credit Union is an organization that strongly believes successful companies are continuously growing and improving. 2024 was a pivotal year, marking a period of transformational achievement and evolutionary momentum. The accomplishments of Centra's management and team members continue to support the strategic growth of the credit union and expand the benefits to each of our stakeholders. Over the course of 2024, Centra made a focused effort to enhance our products, services, and operations to improve efficiency. Centra continues to evolve its digital banking platform and automate back-end operations, creating a more cost-effective and seamless experience for our members. This underscores Centra's commitment to making balanced choices that benefit all of our stakeholders. In 2024, Centra Credit Union sunset the For the Future strategic plan and launched into developing the Imagine the Possibilities strategic plan, which has been gaining traction in 2025. The new plan revolves around member experience, team member experience, operational excellence, organizational health, and a new strategic tenet, community impact. Through this new strategic plan, we seek to live out our identity as a community of people working alongside you to help build a better future. Our legacy is helping you build yours, and we will be fully committed to this promise throughout the next 3 years of the plan. As you will hear in the forthcoming reports from Centra's leadership and governance representatives, prudent management of Centra's resources and controls are essential for actively promoting safe and ethical business practices. The results of this management can be seen in the health of the organization's financial position and ability to adapt to changing economic conditions and strategic opportunities. Keeping members, team members, communities, and our insurers and regulators in mind in the decision-making processes that guide the direction of the credit union ensures its long-term viability. We're grateful for the trust that you, our members, have placed in the Board of Directors and credit union management as we help you navigate your next financial opportunity and build your legacy. As your credit union, we succeed together.
Hello, I'm Rick Silvers, President and Chief Executive Officer of Centra Credit Union. I'm humbled by the opportunity to serve Centra's members, team members, and the communities each and every day. Each year, I take great pride in reflecting on the accomplishments made possible by you and all of our members during the previous year. 2024 was a year of momentous growth. We watched our vision of creating value for our members, team members, and the communities we serve come to life and experienced many new milestones in the way we provide financial services and connect with our communities. Throughout the past year, we celebrated successfully merging with North Park Community Credit Union, the opening of 2 new service centers located in Lebanon and Zionsville, and through partnerships with our members, we increased our annual contributions back to the communities. In addition to the expanded footprint in our northern market, the partnership with North Park resulted in a mission-driven line of business, Onward, which provides free, inclusive, and bilingual financial education and counseling to individuals of all backgrounds. Onward is also working to reinvigorate Centra's presence in and among local businesses to promote financial well-being with their employees and deepen relationships in our communities. Centra was also recognized nationally for our commitment to our stakeholders in 2024. First, Centra was honored to receive the Juntos Avanzamos designation by Inclusive, demonstrating our commitment to serving and empowering the Latino and distressed and underserved communities by providing a broad spectrum of accessible and affordable financial services. Centra was also named as one of America's best credit unions by Forbes magazine. These accolades are a testament to achieving our vision and an incredible acknowledgement of the trust our members place in us to meet them where they are. Our members are the heart of everything we do here at Centra, and we greatly value your feedback. Listening to our members and understanding your needs helps us pinpoint what matters most, respond, and continue to improve our products and services in meaningful ways. Your engagement helps us understand where to invest our resources. In 2024, the economic environment was challenging for many of our members with high inflation and interest rates. Our team sought ways to better support our members through an expansion of our consumer and mortgage offerings to include products that serve our members while continuing to offer checking and savings products that are affordable and flexible for your needs. We are committed to helping people just like your neighbors, friends, and family, and that is why Centra has invested in the development of exciting new services to support members along their financial journey as part of our Imagine the Possibilities strategic plan. In 2025, we will embark on a journey to explore new solutions to diversify our financial position, improve your digital banking experience and engagement, expand Centra's brand presence, invest in the professional development of our team members, and provide an individualized approach to financial empowerment. Centra's focus on members, team members, operational excellence, organizational health, and community impact will result in lasting change that will translate to better service delivery and an overall better relationship with your credit union. As our board chairman stated, as a credit union, we succeed together. As you may have noticed, Centra deposited a member loyalty bonus or dividend in early 2025 into eligible member accounts. This dividend is the ongoing result of our efforts to give back to our stakeholders when we perform well financially. These rewards are shared amongst our members, our team members, and the Centra Foundation. We're so excited to share our success with you in this way and hope that we are able to continue to generate member dividends in the years to come. Thank you for your membership and for trusting us to create value for you along your financial journey.
I'm Brad Davis, Chief Growth Officer for Centra Credit Union. Everything we do at Centra is centered around you, our members, and ensuring we provide you with a great banking experience. Each year, Centra consistently sees a positive member retention rate, and 2024 was no exception. This not only highlights the loyalty of our members, but also our team members' efforts and value creation aligned to our vision. Our members appreciate the service that our team members provide when visiting a Centra location, and it shows. One member said, "I've been a member of Centra Credit Union since 1969. Virtually all my financial needs have been through the credit union. I can think of no situation where my interactions with Centra have been anything less than extremely satisfactory. I've recommended Centra to my 2 daughters, and they are now also members. You understand and meet your members' needs in a professional and caring manner. Thanks for being there in times of need for me and my family." Day in and day out, we hear stories from our team members about ways they've supported our members through difficult financial situations or found ways to save you time and money. The fruits of these efforts showed up in our overall member satisfaction scores in 2024, reaching multi-quarter record highs. In 2024, we revamped our contact center to provide our members with an even more streamlined experience when you call us. This upgrade brought us many new features such as call queue improvements, enhanced security, Spanish options, and a new callback feature. All these features save you time and result in better conversations and solutions for your banking needs. The feedback that we receive from our members through surveys in our locations and over the phone are invaluable in providing a banking experience that is catered to meet the needs of our membership. We also love to connect with you to ensure that we uncover your needs and strengthen our relationship with you. Centra's branch team members made more than 3,000 outbound calls in 2024 as a follow-up to all member survey responses to not only express our gratitude, but provide support when needed. At Centra, we're a community of people working alongside you to help build a better future. Your experience, success, and legacy matter to us. Thank you for your continued confidence and engagement.
Hello, I am Swami Sitharaman, Centra's Chief Experience Officer. The Centra team is the foundation of our success, and in 2024, we remained focused on fostering an inclusive environment where they can grow, thrive, and feel valued. Through intentional investments in career development, financial well-being, efficiency, technology, and workplace culture, we made significant strides in strengthening our team member experience. These investments resulted in record-breaking achievements for Centra that highlight the positive impact of our commitment to our team members. First, we achieved a 66% internal promotion rate, demonstrating the esteem Centra has for existing team members and their long-term goals. Additionally, we reached our highest team member retention rate at 85%, which reflects meaningful work and a strong culture. To encourage connectivity and engagement, Centra introduced a small group mentoring initiative in 2024 designed to promote professional development, networking, skill building, collaboration, and career growth. Supporting financial well being remained a priority, with 92% of our team members participating in Centra's 401k program, far exceeding the industry average. Centra also provides team members financial support services and education. We invest in their financial literacy to not only advance their own financial well being, but to better support our members. This will be a key area of focus as part of the Imagine the Possibilities strategic plan through an initiative to meet team members and members where they are on their financial journey and evolve products and services to progress individual financial goals. Team member development will also be a focus for 2025 with the introduction of a new coaching model which will standardize the way we grow and optimize our team members' performance. If members are the heart of Centra, team members are the heartbeat, and meaningful investment in their overall well being is critical to continue to live out our vision. We look forward to seeing what the Centra team will achieve in 2025.
Hello, I'm Dave Mann, Chief Financial Officer of Centra Credit Union. Centra's long-term sustainability requires efficient and effective management practices. Operational excellence includes the best and highest use of time and resources and leveraging our data, technology, and vendor partnerships for successful execution of business practices. In 2024, Centra identified several opportunities for improvement which support progress in member experience, team member experience, and organizational health. Our CFS title team made several revisions to processes, including the addition of a closing program that provides real-time status updates to members. We also improved the new membership documentation process and training, which resulted in fewer errors and better overall member experience. The team members serving you in the branches and the contact center have been transforming the way they interact and assist you with your financial needs, and it's made a significant difference in the way we deliver value, reduce friction, and improve productivity. To streamline processes for our new and existing vendor relationships, we developed standardized contract templates that meet the credit union's vendor management program requirements. Our internal audit efforts have evolved through the implementation of an internal quality improvement program and strategic plan. This will support efficiency and management of internal controls and assessment to ensure the safety and soundness of Centra. Over the past several years, as part of the For the Future strategic plan, Centra team members have focused on process improvement and automation opportunities across the organization. As a team, Centra has identified and implemented more than 100 of these opportunities, which have resulted in member convenience, cost savings, increased capacity for higher value work, and a culture which focuses on efficiency and experience as part of new process adoption. We're excited to carry this momentum forward in 2025 to ensure we serve our members with the excellence you expect from Centra.
I'm Carl Fry, Centra's Senior Vice President of Finance. As an organization dedicated to providing quality banking products and services to our members, it's important we ensure the long-term sustainability of the credit union. The organizational health of Centra includes the balanced management of our financial position for future growth and value creation for all our stakeholders. One of the ways we contribute to the stability of the credit union is through our security efforts. The security of our members' financial and personal information is a top priority for Centra. In 2024, Centra's Information Technology Department rolled out a new ransomware protection software to provide an even stronger layer of defense against any data breach attempts. The Centra team is always seeking new ways to eliminate vulnerabilities in our security ecosystem and help members protect their personal information and accounts from fraudulent activity. This work will continue in 2025 with the introduction of an advanced behavioral insights software and an assessment of potential opportunities to improve account access and verification security. Centra's sustainability is also strengthened through engagement with our members for their banking needs. In 2024, we generated strong commercial loan growth and a record level of consumer loan production, representing a 25% increase over 2023. Centra also exceeded budgeted deposit growth by $22.3 million in 2024, allowing us to reduce outstanding borrowings to a multi-year low and purchase new investments to protect Centra's interest income. It was a positive year of growth in these areas, which is anticipated to continue into 2025 as we endeavor to provide valuable products and services to our members. All aspects of the Imagine the Possibility strategic plan were developed to address the high importance of positively impacting the foundation of the credit union. Notably, the Centra team will be working on identifying opportunities to leverage our strong balance sheet position for additional diversified revenue opportunities. Examples include leveraging the low interest rate risk position of the credit union by extending the duration of the investment portfolio to take advantage of higher yields. All these decisions have the Centra stakeholders in mind to bring the most benefit to all and strengthen your credit union.
Hi, I'm Chrissy Bailey, President of Centra Financial Services. One of the biggest ways we seek to live out the credit union mantra of people helping people is being involved in the communities we serve. Because we place a high value on the impact we have in our communities, we strive to ensure our support is fair, equitable, and accessible to the individuals and organizations Centra supports. Community impact also includes engagement with community partners in developing financial literacy, stability, and empowerment. There are so many programs and initiatives that Centra and the Centra Foundation support. We love to engage team members across the organization with opportunities to impact their communities in many ways. Every year, we continue to see growth in our volunteer efforts. In 2024, more than 184 team members volunteered a total of 3,100 hours. These hours represented service to more than 88 local nonprofit organizations, spanning from Lebanon to Jeffersonville. Our team members also demonstrate a commitment to civic and social service through participation in a wide variety of community boards and committees. In 2024, we introduced the Community Involvement Leadership Program, which served as a defined path for team members to learn and develop their community leadership potential. This program provided education and practical experience while supporting the goals of the organization. 9 service projects were completed across Centra's footprint, resulting in more than 300 volunteer hours and significant impact to the people and organizations these projects were designed to support. This effort will continue in 2025 with 9 new participants ready to serve on projects related to blood donation, food security, clothing and school supply drives, and child and family social services partnerships. Another team member engagement opportunity within our communities is the Team Member Nominated Donation Program. Team members nominate more than 40 local nonprofits to receive $2,500 grants. These grants seek to support Centra's focus areas of social responsibility, emergent community needs, financial empowerment, and scholarships and career development. In 2024, Centra reinvested $122,500 back into the communities through organizations that provide critical services for our neighbors, families, and friends. To develop this culture of giving, we engage our team members in service projects during their very first days with Centra. Orientation service projects were introduced as a way to deepen the roots of community impact and provide new team members with a hands-on view of Centra's vision by giving them the opportunity to give back. These small but impactful projects are facilitated in partnership with local nonprofit organizations to help new Centra team members learn about our community's critical services and get hands-on service experience. Our community impact reach is supported by the Centra Foundation. Every year, the Centra Foundation awards educational scholarships through the Loretta M. Bird Scholarship Program. In 2024, we awarded 28 scholarships in the amount of $2,500 to graduating high school seniors and adult students who plan to attend a 2- or 4-year college, university, or technical trade school. Additionally, the foundation provided 3 $1,000 special purpose scholarships to be awarded through community partners who serve and support minority groups. These were distributed to Su Casa, the Mexican Consulate of Indianapolis, and the Indiana Latino Institute as part of Centra's Juntos Avanzamos designation celebration. We also love to support the people we entrust with educating children in our communities. Through the Teaming Up with Teachers program, the Centra Foundation awarded 8 teachers with a $250 shopping spree from their Amazon wish list for their classrooms. We seek to engage our members in the spirit of giving as well. In 2024, we hosted the inaugural Let's Go Crazy 5K in support of the United Way of Bartholomew County. Additionally, through our holiday giving program, we collect monetary donations that directly support local nonprofit organizations to provide presents to children in need each year. In 2024, we hit a record high in our giving due to the generosity of our members, team members, and local community members. 16 nonprofits received donations totaling $70,425. A way Centra really leverages its community impact is how we come together with our local United Way agencies. In 2024, our United Way Workplace campaign hit a new record with 329 team members pledging their contributions to the United Way for a total of $138,023. These donations went directly to 12 United Way partners in our footprint. We're so honored to have the opportunity to collaborate with our members, team members, and community partners to support the important services that help build better futures for all the lives they impact. We look forward to exciting new ways to expand this reach in 2025.
Last year, Centra's total assets grew to over $2.12 billion, an increase of $49.3 million or 2.4%. Asset growth for the credit union is primarily driven by balance changes in deposits and borrowings. During the year, deposit balances grew by over $102 million, or 5.8%, while total borrowings declined by $56 million to end the year at $10 million. Total loan balances, net of the allowance for credit losses, ended the year at just over $1.6 billion, which was a slight increase over 2023 balances. Last year, we saw loan growth in nearly all loan categories, most notably in first mortgage, direct auto, home equity lines, and commercial loans. This growth was somewhat offset by a continued strategic shift to reduce balance concentration within our indirect auto loan portfolio. Last year, Centra's net income came in at just over $8.5 million. As a not-for-profit institution, the profits generated by the credit union are returned back to our members in several ways, including competitive product and service offerings, convenient delivery channels, competitive loan and deposit rates, and lower fees. We also return value to the communities we serve through donations to local nonprofit organizations and through team member volunteer time for various events. At the end of the year, Centra served just over 187,000 total members and almost 154,000 primary members. The credit union continues to maintain a strong capital position, which is the primary indicator of financial strength. Centra's net worth ratio ended the year at 12.46%, comparing favorably to our peer average of 11.17%. In addition, Centra continued to receive a Bauer Financial 5-star or superior rating each quarter of 2024, which is based on various financial health metrics. At Centra, we strive to provide our members with a valuable banking experience. To expand upon that vision, we must ensure that we're operating in a manner that protects the health of our organization. This health focuses on areas such as our risk profile, including concentration risks, our investment decisions, and the overall revenue of the credit union. In summary, 2024 was another successful year for Centra from a financial perspective. We would like to thank you for recognizing the value that Centra offers its members and for your continued business.
Hello, I'm Jody Hazlett, Chair of the Supervisory Committee in 2024. I would like to take a moment to explain the importance of what our committee does for Centra Credit Union. Our purpose is to ensure the safety and soundness of your credit union. We do that by focusing on 2 key areas: internal controls and audit. It is our responsibility to ensure that adequate internal controls are in place, that the credit union's records are prepared in a prompt and accurate manner, and to evaluate operational policies and practices on an ongoing basis. Our auditing functions include the monitoring and oversight of the internal and external audits. The Supervisory Committee ensures that Centra Credit Union has appropriately met its insurance and security obligations, and we maintain accountable control of credit union transactions. We meet each quarter with the credit union's president, chief financial officer, and assistant vice president of internal audit, and as a committee throughout the year as needed. Doreen Mayhew conducted our credit union's external financial statement audit in 2024. The committee is pleased to report that Centra Credit Union has received a clean opinion for 2024. Your credit union consistently receives positive recognition based on its external audits and works diligently internally to ensure the policies and procedures remain compliant and protect our members' information and finances. I would like to thank the other members of the Supervisory Committee, Michael Fleetwood, Shannon Jenkins, and Sean Storms, for their valuable contributions to the success of the committee's work. On behalf of the committee, we thank our members for entrusting us with the oversight of the safety and soundness of your credit union. Thank you.